we have to be careful about all the things that we have discussed before, because if on Exocad you are going to reduce in the same approach that you were approaching the analog model, so with a shoulder reduction, you will experience the same problems even with Exocad. So let's see. So we are going to do very similar step. Here we did an import on Exocad. Manuel is going to trace the line, and again is tracing the line 2 millimeters beyond the tooth, so on the soft tissue. So we are going to overextend a little bit the margin line on the soft tissue. We do this palatally, and we do this even buccally. In this way we are able to get our extension of the original crown on the soft tissue. You see? 1-2 millimeter. And remember that after, we will see in this video, that you are going to cut this area. We need this area in order to be sure that all the material is well kept inside in order to avoid bubbles. Because the main problem of running provisional is when the provisional is not sitting very well, that we have not a good container and we are going to get bubbles everywhere.